Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today I'm gonna show you a few simple and basic knowledge on the binary option trading and forex trading. Mastering this field knowledge is gonna help you to understand the markets better, and of course, it's gonna help you to trade better. If you're a beginner, make sure you take a look at this video because I'm sure the knowledge is gonna help you to understand what you are doing in the binary option trading better. Before that, let's move on to the Q&A corner for today. Previously I actually got a question on what should be my goal if I have $100 in my account. Generally speaking, for binary option trading, I would say you can expect a 15 to 20% growth in your capital weekly. Which roughly comes to $15 to $20 a week. That's the same when it comes to if you have $1,000 in your account. With that calculation, when you have $1,000 in your account, I would say in a month your 1,000 can become 1,600 to 1,800 if your trade goes well. I actually made a video on this topic previously. So if you want to know more about how you're actually gonna set your goal, you can take a look at my previous video, which I have posted a link down there in the description. If you have any more question, or if you are still confusing on the goal or your expectation on in binary option trading, simply put down a comment down there and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Let's start the talk for today. Alright, first thing first, let's take a look at what we are dealing with in binary option and forex trading. In binary option and forex trading, we are mainly dealing with currencies. What we're doing here is that we are predicting the exchange rate between the two currencies. We are predicting within a short period of time whether the exchange rate is go higher or lower than the rate now. For example, let's take a look at the Japanese yen and US dollar here. US dollar and Japanese yen here. Let's say the rate now is equal to $1 is equal to 109.502 Japanese yen. Now after 30 seconds, let's say I expect the rate is gonna go higher than this current rate here. If after 30 seconds the rate actually goes higher than the rate now, then I'm gonna take in profit. Then next you might ask me how do you actually trade or predict the future rate of between the two currencies. What we normally use is called the candlestick chart. Is what we are looking at here. Is actually the history of the exchange rate between the currencies. Let's say here that we see this green and white bars. Don't get panicked yet. It's pretty simple. Let's zoom in a little bit. Then the green bar here meaning that the exchange rate is going up. The white bar here is indicating that the exchange rate is going down. Pretty simple. Green means that the price is going up. White means that the price is going low. There are actually a lot more detailed information and a lot more in-depth knowledge you might need to learn or engage in the future. But as for now, I guess that's all you need to know. Green meaning that the price is going up. White means that the price is going down. Let's move on to the next topic of the chart period. At first you log into the platform, you might see a few options here: 10 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and that simply means that let's say now the chart is at 10 seconds. That simply means that one candlestick here represents the exchange rate of the past 10 seconds. It's the same if we are looking at a 1 minute chart. This candlestick here means that it represents the exchange rate between US dollar and Japanese yen for the past minutes. And it's the same when it goes to 5 minutes chart, 10 minutes chart. That the chart period is simply just means the period of each candlestick. by now, I guess you are still confusing with the candlestick and the option period and chart period. But you actually don't need to worry because binary option is a short-term trading, and then we are actually relying on technical analysis a lot more than the other analysis like the fundamental. So when we use technical analysis, meaning that we will use technical indicator. So the good thing when we use technical indicators is that when we insert a technical indicator inside a chart, it actually calculates all the previous movement for us. So it actually it's all done by the system, and then what we need to do is just to observe the technical indicator and then just to follow what information the technical indicator gives us. And then we will open position based on the indicator, like when is the right timing. The indicator is gonna give us signal, and then we will just use that signal to open position for profits. So some of you might say that it's necessary to know the detail on chart history, chart pattern, how candlestick move, and all the in-depth knowledge behind currency pairs. So I wouldn't say no, but the easiest way you can get a hand on binary option in forex trading is to use technical indicator, and then you will learn the chart movement and the candlestick by using the indicator. So especially for binary option, it's a short-term trading, so people actually relies on technical analysis more than others. So again, the best way for you to start trading in binary option is to use technical indicator. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to try out different technical indicators for you, so that you can try to pick one that suits you. So that's about it for how you can start trading binary option and what binary option is about. So if you have any question, simply put a comment down there in the comment box and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And that's it for today, and I will back to the trading tomorrow. Alright, so do you understand what I explained it to you just now? If you do, put a comment down there so that I can make sure you understand what I talk about. Or if you don't, put a comment down there as well and ask me a question, and then I will reply to you as soon as possible. So that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like or subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And yep, that's it for today, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!